You can also run your building analysis again once you have your foundation. Once you are running your building analysis again, you will have the option of choosing match foundation model. Integrated modeling of foundation and upper structure. You use this option to perform your analysis on your foundation. It's always really good to perform your analysis on your foundation to know exactly how it's going to behave under the influence of the load coming on top of it. Even though design status has given us an okay, and our foundation design also has given us an okay, we pass for what we designed, you may still need to merge the foundations in your design and carry out the building analysis to know if there's any part of the foundation that needs to be done again, if there's any part of the structural member that is transferring some falling loads down into the foundation in a way that the foundation was never designed to carry. Maybe for some reasons there is more load being transferred to a particular section of the foundation than anticipated initially, and that will actually require you redesigning your foundation also. And just for this purpose of getting it right and the purpose of accuracy, try as much as possible after designing your foundation to carry on your analysis again. You may not necessarily redesign steel or anything, just to carry on the analysis so that you can see whether your building, your entire structure goes well with your foundation design. But according to the design status here, you see that it goes well, but it's just a way of double checking your analysis. Then you could also do foundation floor analysis. And as you can see, we have this. We can go to analysis report. Just check the foundation and see what we are working on here, and then we can go down here to check the soil pressure. We have the soil pressure here, and just go to standard controls here. Just know how each aspect of the foundation is behaving in reaction to the load that is coming on it. And you can see here that you have all these parameters here signifying how the load is interacting with the foundations. See, and when you look at it, at every point in time we are pointing to a particular point, and you see that it's telling us that allowable stress for is 117, which is less than 160. So anywhere that it's not really okay, it will let you know that it's not okay. And this is another way to check and ensure that your part foundation is really okay. But one thing you realize is that we already know that our allowable stress is 168, right? So when you go to this legend here, you see that the highest you have on this foundation is 156, which means no part of this design exceeds the allowable stress, which means that automatically you can summarize that everything here is okay, because there is no point on any column that exceeds 156 kilonewton per meter square, and we already have 168 kilonewton per meter square to be our allowable soil stress. And this helps us to know that what we designed is indeed very much okay based on the load that is coming on top of our foundation and based on the flat footings that we have designed for our columns. So you can close this and then transfer slab straight factory results and just press OK, and you're done with that. And you can see that just as justified here and here and here and here, you have our foundation to be very sufficient for this miniature building. And I think this is just about enough for all we have for today on part foundation design. I hope you're able to learn a thing or two. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Hit the notification bell to be ready for us to see our latest video tutorials on Protastructure. Thanks for watching and bye for now.